Imagine losing everything you worked for, your job, your savings, even your confidence, all before your 25th birthday. Now picture yourself standing at the edge, feeling like there's no way out. If you've ever felt completely stuck, this story is for you, because I've been there and I found a way to rise again. I was 25, and life felt like it had slammed the door on me. I had just lost my first real job, my savings were gone, and my relationships were falling apart. Every plan I had for the future seemed like a cruel joke. I remember staring at the ceiling at night, wondering, is this it? Is this my life? The fear was suffocating. I couldn't see a way forward, and every attempt I made felt like it pushed me further down. It wasn't just financial stress. It was the sense of failure, the pressure of society telling me I was too late, too young, too broken. And that fear, it eats you alive if you let it. Days turned into weeks, and I felt trapped in a loop of self-doubt and anxiety. Every time I scrolled through social media, I saw people my age hitting milestones I had only dreamed of. The excitement, the opportunities I once imagined seemed like someone else's life. It was terrifying. I knew if I stayed like this, I would spend years regretting the chances I didn't take. The urgent thought that shook me every day was, if I don't change now, I might not get another shot. That's when I decided to take control. I started small, reading one book a week, waking up early to plan my day, and cutting out everything that didn't serve my goals. I built a daily routine around growth, not comfort. Step by step, I rebuilt my skills, my confidence, and my vision for a wealthy, meaningful life. I surrounded myself with people who pushed me forward, not held me back. And slowly, what felt impossible became inevitable. By 28, I was not only financially stable, but living a life I had once thought was only for other people. That fear I felt at 25, it became my fuel. The urgency I felt, it turned into discipline. And the excitement I thought was gone, I created it for myself every single day. If you're watching this and feel like you're hitting rock bottom, remember this. Your lowest point is not the end. It's the starting line. Take the first step today. Start small, start consistent, and don't let fear dictate your future. If this story inspired you, hit like. Leave a comment sharing your journey. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that turn struggle into success. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. Your comeback starts today.